You are welcome to today's lesson. We are continuing our discussion on variation, and we are looking at the first type of variation called direct variation, and this is the part 1 of the lesson. To understand this lesson, make sure you watch the first lesson on variation in the previous video. Now, what is direct variation? It is a situation in which two quantities increases or decreases at the same rate. Let's look at an example. When fuel prices increases, the prices of food items also increase. On the other hand, when fuel price decreases, the price of food items also decrease. This is an illustration of a direct variation, which means that two quantities increase or decrease at the same rate. Now, from the illustration of fuel price and food items, we realize that an increase in one quantity, which was the fuel price, led to the increase in the other quantity, which was the food items. And in the same way, a decrease in the fuel price, which is one quantity, led to the decrease in food item, which is the other quantity. For example, y is directly proportional to x. This can also be written as y varies directly as x. Symbolically, this can be written as y, then using the proportional symbol followed by x. So y directly proportional to x, or y varies directly as x. And this can be written as an equation y equals kx, where remember we said k represents our constant of proportionality. Let's look at an example. In this example, we have to convert the following statement into mathematical symbol. The first one is w varies directly as r. The second is f varies directly as the square of t. And the third is p varies directly as the cube root of q. In our first example, we're given w varies directly as r, and this can be written symbolically as w followed by the proportional symbol, then r. And this can be written as an equation w equals kr. In our next example, we're given f varies directly as the square of t, and this can be written symbolically as f, then using the proportional or variation symbol, then followed by t squared, and this can be written as an equation f equals k multiplied by t squared. Our last example was given as p varies directly as the cube root of q, and this can be written symbolically as p followed by the variation or proportional symbol, then the cubic root of q, and this can also be written as an equation p equals k multiplying the cubic root of q. Let's try this assignment. In this assignment, you have to convert the following statement into mathematical symbol. The first example, v varies directly as the square of r, and the second example, t varies directly as the cube of d. Kindly submit your answer comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.